Unraveling Wraparound Attempt, a guide to understanding. Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase in the English language, wraparound attempt. This phrase might seem a bit complex at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down together, explore its meanings, and how it can be used in different contexts. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together. First, let's dissect the phrase starting with the word wraparound. Wraparound is an adjective that describes something that encircles or encompasses completely. It gives us the image of one thing fully surrounding another. This word is often used in various contexts, from fashion, like a wraparound skirt, to services that offer comprehensive support. Understanding this word is our first step in grasping the full meaning of wraparound attempt. Next up is attempt. An attempt refers to an act of trying to accomplish something. It's about making an effort or giving something a shot. When we talk about an attempt in English, we're discussing the action of striving towards a goal, regardless of the outcome. This word is crucial because it shows that the action is about the process of trying, not necessarily achieving. Now that we've looked at wraparound and attempt separately, let's combine them. A wraparound attempt can be understood as an effort to fully encompass, address, or solve something in a comprehensive manner. This phrase can be applied in various scenarios, such as in sports, where a player might make a wraparound attempt to score by moving around the goal to find an opening. It can also be used metaphorically to describe efforts in problem-solving that involve tackling an issue from all angles. To solidify your understanding, let's look at some examples. In hockey, a player might execute a wraparound attempt to outmaneuver the goalie and score a goal. In a community service context, a wraparound attempt refers to providing holistic support to families, addressing their needs from all possible angles. These examples show how the phrase can be versatile, applicable in both literal and metaphorical contexts. And that's a wrap on wraparound attempt. I hope this exploration has helped you understand this intriguing phrase and how it can be used in various contexts. Remember, language is a journey, and every new term you learn opens up new ways of expressing ideas. Keep up with your efforts, and soon you'll be using English phrases like a pro. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to our next lesson together.